my name is Caleb. My project was paper roll. No, that was what? No, that was. Anyway, this is Play-Doh roller coaster. I made it by just looking, rating, and making it more structural. So,
Fun part?
fun part. Okay, fun part was finishing it right now, and
What was fun while you were building it?
just building it in general. I mean, like, there were parts where, like, it was fun, like, just, like, planning it out and then building it like that.
And then what was the
The
challenge?
funnest part about it was that it all worked out, so.
That's good.
The challenge was making it all work.
What
There
specific?
were lots of parts, like, here.
Mm-hmm.
I had to put something there, and up here, and over here, and here. Yeah.
You want to show us how it works?